Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn math subject and the topic is introducing 5-digit numbers. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Let us begin our lesson today by understanding what are 5-digit numbers. Children, when we add 1 to biggest 4-digit number, that is 9999, we get the smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000. Number 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. 5-digit numbers are placed in the units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s column. Now let us see how these numbers are placed. 5-digit numbers are placed in two periods, that is the ones period and the thousands period. The ones period has three places: units, or we can say ones, tens, hundreds. The thousand period has two places: thousands and 10,000s. These two periods are separated by a comma when we write the number in standard form. The number 10,000 in standard form is written as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and its number name is 10,000. Now let us learn how to read and write 5-digit numbers using the place value chart. Let us read this number 51427. So to read this number, we will arrange this number in place value chart. This is 10,000s place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and units place. So here 5 will go in the 10,000s place, 1 in the thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 2 in the tens place and 7 in the units place. Now this is thousands period and this is ones period. Now there are three easy steps to read number. Step 1. How many thousands are there? Yes, there are 51 thousands. We always read the digits in the thousands period together. Okay, now step 2. How many hundreds are there? Yes, 4 hundreds. Step 3. Read the digits in tens and units place together. That is 27. So we read it as 51,427. Wasn't it easy reading and writing 5-digit numbers? Let us try one more number. Look at the number 13578. So 1 in the 10,000s place, 3 in the thousands place, 5 in the hundreds place, 7 in the tens place and 8 in the units place. So first step is how many thousands there are? Yes, there are 13 thousands. Now step 2. How many hundreds? 500. Step 3. Read the digits in tens and units place together. That is 78. So we will read this number as 13,578. Look at the symbols and read the number they make. So here we have this abacus. So we have 4 beads in 10,000s place, 2 beads in thousands place, 1 bead in hundreds place, 2 beads in tens place and 1 bead in units place. So this number is read as 42,121. Now here we have 5 beads in 10,000s place, 0 bead in thousands place, 0 bead in hundreds place, 0 bead in tens place, and 1 bead in units place. So this number is read as 50,001. Now here we have 6 beads in 10,000s place, 0 bead in thousands place, 0 bead in hundreds place, 2 beads in tens place, and 6 beads in units place. So this number is read as 60,026. Now here we have 3 beads in 10,000s place, 1 bead in thousands place, and 0 bead in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, and 0 in units place. So this number is read as 31,000. Numbers in words and figures. Here we have to write this number in figures. So the number is 62,037. So let's write 62,000 in thousands place. Children, can we write 2 digits in one column while writing numbers in place value chart? No, right? But why? Why we can't write 2 digits in one column? Because here we have 62,000 and 62,000 means 60,000s plus 2,000 and 60,000 means 6 10,000. So we will write 6 in 10,000s column and 2 in thousands column. Now this number has no hundreds. So we will write 0 in hundreds place. Now 37. 37 has 3 tens and 7 units. So we will write 3 in tens place and 7 in units place. So children, this number 62,037 is written in figures as 62,037. Let us take one more example. 70,206. So this is our place value chart. 10,000s place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, and units place. 70,000 means 7 10,000. So we will write 7 in 10,000s place and 0 in thousands place. Now here we have 200. So we will write 2 in hundreds place and 6. Children, there are no tens. So we will write 0 in tens place and 6 in units place. So this number 70,206 is written in figures as 70,206. Now let us solve exercise. Read the numbers, write them in figures. So numbers in words, first number is 40,000. In figures it would be 40,000. Next number is 50,050. So in figures it would be 50,050. Next number is 12,313. In figures it would be 1 to 12, 313. 45,003. So in figures it would be 45,003. 23,105. So in figures it would be 23,105. 68,005. So in figures it would be 68,005. Read the given number and write them in words. So here first number is 52,045. So we will write 52,045. Next number is 23,409. So 23,409. Next number is 45,600. So 45,600. 41,000. So 41,000. Next number is 99,999. So 91,999. Next number is 95,768. So let's write 95,768. On the number slate alongside, write 5 numbers by changing the digits in the units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s places, one at a time. Read the numbers. Here the given number is 23,411 and we have to change digits from units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s places one at a time to form new numbers. So let's interchange here hundreds and tens place. So the number will be 23,141, that is 23,141. Now let us interchange the tens place and the units place. So the number will be 23,114, that is 23,114. Now let us interchange thousands and hundreds place. So the next number will be 21,314, that is 21,314. Now let us interchange tens and units place. So the new number will be 21341, that is 21,341. Now let us interchange hundreds and tens place. So the new number will be 21431, that is 21,431. Now let us interchange the 10,000s place and thousands place. So the new number will be 12431, that is 12,431. Next question is, using each of the digits 9, 5, 6, 1, 8 only once, write 6 5-digit numbers. So here we have placed these digits in place value chart, that is 9 in 10,000s place, 5 in thousands place, 6 in hundreds place, 1 in tens place and 8 in units place. So this number is read as 95,618. Now let us form new numbers by interchanging its places. So let us interchange the tens and units place. So new number will be 95681, that is 95,681. Now let us interchange hundreds and tens place. So new number will be 95861, that is 95,861. Now let us interchange tens and units place again to form new number. So new number will be 95816, that is 95,816. Now let us interchange hundreds and tens place. So the new number will be 95186, that is 95,186. Now let us interchange tens and units place. So the next number will be 95168, that means 95,168. Now let us interchange hundreds and tens place. So the next number will be 95618, that is 95,618. Children, you can form many new numbers using this trick. Now let us move on to next question. Write the biggest number that can be made using the digits 1, 5, 6, 4, 7. So children, here we have to make biggest number using given digits, and the given digits are 1, 5, 6, 4, 7. To form a biggest number from the given digits, we have to write given digits in their descending order. So the descending order will be 7, 6, then 5, then 4, and then 1. So children, this is the descending order of these given digits. So the biggest number is 76,541. Now let us move on to next question. Write two numbers by writing the digits 4, 3, 9, 8, 7 in the ascending and descending order. The given digits are 4, 3, 9, 8, 7. Let us arrange these digits in ascending order. So the ascending order will be 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. And the number that we can form by arranging these digits in ascending order is 34,789. Now the descending order will be 9, 8, 7, 4, 3. And the number that we can form by arranging these digits in descending order is 98,743. Now the next question is keeping 7 in the units place. Use all the digits 6, 0, 7, 5, 4 to make 5 numbers. Write the numbers. So the given digits are 6, 0, 7, 5, 4, and we have to keep 7 in units place and form new numbers. So let us form numbers keeping 7 in units place. Now here we have formed this number keeping 7 in units place. So this number is 60,547. Now let us form next number. So to form next number, we have to interchange this 100 and tens place. So the next number will be 60457, that is 60,457. Now let us interchange thousands and hundreds place. So the next number will be 64057, that is 64,057. Now let us interchange 10,000s and thousands place. So the next number will be 46057, that is 46,057. Now let us interchange thousands and hundreds place to form next number. Okay, so 40657, that is 40,657. Now next question is write 5 numbers keeping the smallest of 49351 in the units place. Given digits are 49351. And children, in this question, here we have to keep smallest digit in the units place. So which is the smallest digit in these digits? Yes, 1, right? So we have to keep smallest digit in the units place. So here we have formed this number keeping 1 in the units place. 49531. that is 49,531. Now let us interchange hundreds and tens place to form new number. So the new number will be 49351, that is 49,351. Now let us interchange the thousands and the hundreds place. So the next number will be 43951, that is 43,951. Now let us interchange 10,000s and thousands place to form new number. So the new number is 34951, that is 34,951. Now let us interchange thousands and hundreds place. So the new number will be 39451, that is 39,451. So that's all for today, children. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye.